Khnang ban Pynduna ke Jingdheng kali hanong ba shalong ke Sorkar jalak la idon kam ban Pyntreikam no da ke jingpnya ye ki school bus Habaikrem kla pathai khu bor ha ka sisa jan jakatayo umitri ke tanat puli puthi jo ke Sorkar jalak ba lak men rumboi ulong magani ke long ke budon kam redon kam pat ke jinge sung thu jingmut bar ke jingshim khialang jang baro ki briu ke jala.
This is the pilot project under of our Honorable Chief Minister under MDA government, because we are really want to see that the traffic congestion, the loss of time, because loss of time is loss of money. So the loss of time should be reduced as much as possible. So that's why Chief Minister has come up with this concept of school bus. So we will find ways and means as the government how to implement. That's why. But those 3-4 issues, which I myself personally I see, which is real. So this have to be addressed, and I hope with the cooperation of each and everybody, we will able to implement this.